Welcome to the online mathematics class. Today we will see the new topic operations on like surds. We know that what is meant by similar or like surds. In the simplest form of surds, if order of the surds and radicand are equal, then the surds are similar or like surds. Operations on like surds. Here we will see operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Example number 1. See, simplify 7th multiplied by root 3 plus 29 multiplied by root 3. Here we have to perform operation like addition. Two sets are given and we have to add them, or we have to perform operation on them. Solution: 7 multiplied by root 3 plus 29 multiplied by root 3 is equal to. So now here see, we have to perform the operation of addition. Here root 3 both are common in both terms. In first term root 3 and in second term root 3. These root 3 are common, so we can take common outside. So see, 7 plus 29 into out of the bracket root 3. In bracket we are having 7 plus 29 multiplied by root 3. So 7 plus 29 is 36 and root 3 as it is. Then we are having 7 multiplied by root 3 plus 29 multiplied by root 3 is equal to 36 multiplied by root 3. Here we take the root 3 as a common, and here we write into the bracket 7 plus 29. In this search root 3 is कॉमन, सो वी आर राइटिंग 7 प्लस 29 रूट 3. जो कॉमन है वो हमने क्या कर लिया है, ब्रैकेट के आउटसाइड लिख दिया और सिंपल एडिशन परफॉर्म कर लिया 7 प्लस 29. सो वी हैविंग 7 प्लस 29 एज 36 एंड रूट 3 एज इट इज. सो 36 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 3. देन वी हैविंग 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 3 प्लस 29 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू 36 मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 3. Now example number 2. See, simplify 7 root 3 minus 29 root 3. Here we have to perform operation of subtraction. Solution: 7 root 3 minus 29 root 3. Now here root 3 common, so we can write 7 minus 29 into the bracket multiply by root 3. Here we write into the bracket 7 multiply by 29 and multiply by root 3, because root 3 is common in first term and second term. So we can write 7 minus 29, this 7 minus 29 into the bracket and multiply by root 3. So 7 minus 29 is minus 22. Then we are having 7 root 3 minus 29 root 3 is equal to minus 22 multiplied by root 3. Example number 3. Simplify 13 multiplied by root 8 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by root 8 minus 5 multiplied by root 8. Here we have to perform operation addition and subtraction. So write down the given 13 multiplied by root 8 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 8 minus 5 multiplied by root 8. So here we are having 3 terms, and in these 3 terms root 8 is common. So here into the bracket we can write 13 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5. 13 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5, because root 8 is common in these 3 terms. So we are writing 13 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5 and outside of the bracket root 8. So here we are having 13 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5, and by cross multiplication we are having 13 2s are 26 and 2 5s are 10. So we are making the denominator same. So 13 2s are 26 and 2 5s are 10. So we are having 26 plus 1 minus 10 upon 2. Now here we make denominator same. So we write 26 plus 1 minus 10 upon whole denominator upon 2. By cross multiplication we are making denominator same here. Then we are having 26 plus 1 minus 10 upon 2 multiplied by root 8. So here 26 plus 1 27 minus 10 upon 2 multiplied by root 8. 27 minus 10 is 17. So we can write 17 upon 2 multiplied by root 8. See, now we can write simplest form of root 8 as 4 multiplied by 2 into square root. So we're having 17 upon 2 multiplied by square root 4 multiplied by 2. Then 17 upon 2 multiplied by square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. And we know that the square root of 4 is 2. Then we're having 17 upon 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by square root of 2. So here we can cancel this 2. 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 1. Then we're having 17 multiplied by root 2. Here we cancel the root, these 2. 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 1. Then we're having 17 multiplied by root 2. So the required answer is 17 multiplied by root 2. Here root 8 is common, so we are writing root 8 outside of the bracket. Then we are having 13 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5. So then next, by cross multiplying, we are having 26 plus 1 minus 10 upon 2 outside of the bracket, multiply by 8. Then root multiply by 8. Then 26 plus 1 27 minus 10 upon 2 multiply by root 8. 27 minus 10 is 17 upon 2 multiply by 8. Now we can get the simplest form of this root 8 by instead of root 8 we are writing 4 multiplied by 2 into square root. So we are having 17 upon 2 multiplied by square root of 4 multiplied by 2. We know that the square root of 4 is 2. So we are writing 17 upon 2 multiplied by 2 square root 2. 2 multiplied by square root 2. And these 2 get cancelled. 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 1. Then we are having 17 multiplied by root 2. See one more example. Simplify 8 multiplied by root 5 plus square root of 20 minus square root of 125. Now in this example, student, see, order of surds is 2 because here is square root of 5, square root of 20, square root of 125. So the order of surds is 2 and radicand is also same. See how here 8 root 5, 8 multiplied by root 5 plus square root of 20. We can write square root of 20 as into the square root 4 multiplied by 5. And square root of 125, we can write square root of 125 as 25 multiplied by 5, square root of 25 multiplied by 5. So here we know that the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 25 is 5. So we can write 8 square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 plus 2 multiplied by square root of 5 minus 5 square multiplied by square root of 5. So now here see, order of surds is 2 and this radicand is 5. Radicand is 5 and order of the surd and the radicand are equal. Then we say that all these are equal surds. Then we can perform operation on them. So 8 plus here square root of 5, square root of 5 and square root of 5, both this square root of 5 is common in these three terms. So we can write into the bracket 8 plus 2 minus 5 multiply by bracket complete multiply by square root of 5 because square root of 5 is common. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 minus 5, 5. So we are having 5 multiply by square root of 5. Also in the first example, see 7 square root of 3 plus 29 square root of 3. Here order of surds is 2 and the radicand is 3. So the order of surd and radicand both are equal. Then we say that the given surds are like surds or similar surds. So then we can perform operation. Also in this example, see order of surd and radicand both are equal. Then we can perform operation subtraction on these surds. Here order of surd is 2 and radicand is 8. That means surds having order of the surds having order has 2 and the radicand of the surds is 8. So order of surds and radicand both are equal. Then we can say that the given surds are like or similar. Then we can perform the operations. Here we are performing operations on like surds. That means first of all we will see order of surd of the given surd and the radicand. Then order of surds and the radicand are equal. Then we can say that the given surds are like surds. Then we can perform operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next example, simplify under root 7 multiply by under root 42. Under root 7 multiply by under root 42. Here we have to perform operation of multiplication. So write down the under root 7 multiply by under root of 42. Now we can write the under root 42 as 6 multiply by 2 to the square root. We can write 42 as 6 multiply by 2 into the square root. So we are having square root of 7 multiply by square root of 6 multiply by 7. We are having square root of 7 multiply by square root of 6 multiply by 7, because we are writing 42 as 6 multiply by 7. So here multiplication is there, then we can write the square root of 7 multiply by 6 multiply by 7, because multiplication is there. So we can write 7 multiply by 6 multiply by 7. Now we are having square root of 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 6. We are having 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 6. So we know that the 7 sevens are 49. Then we are having square root of 49 multiply by 6. Here we are having 49 multiply by 6. So we can write 49 multiply by square root of 49 multiply by square root of 6, and we know that the square root of 49 is 7. So we are having 7 multiply by root 6. Here we are having square root of 49 multiply by 6. Now we know that the square root of 49 is 7. So instead of this step you can write directly 7 multiply by root square root of 6, or you can write square root of 49 multiply by square root of 6, and the square root of 49 is 7. So we are having square root of 7 multiply by square root of 42 is equal to 7 multiply by square root of 6. Instead of 42 we are writing here 6 multiply by 7. Next example, see now divide the surds. Square root of 125 divided by square root of 5. So write down the givens. Square root of 125 divided by square root of 5. Now we know that we can write the 125 as 25 multiplied by 5. So into the square root 25 multiplied by 5 divided by square root of 5, and the square root of 25 is 5. So square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 5 upon square root of 5, and the square root of 25 is 5. Then we are having 5 multiplied by square root of 5 upon square root of 5. 5 multiplied by square root of 5 upon square root of 5. So square root of 5 and square root of 5 get cancelled. Then we are having only 5. So if we dividing 125 by square root of 125 by square root of 5, then we are having answer as 5, and that is rational number. Next example, simplify square root of 50 multiplied by square root of 18. Square root of 50 multiplied by square root of 18. So here write down the given square root of 50 multiplied by square root of 18 is equal to, now we can write this 50 as 25 multiplied by 2 and 18 as 9 multiplied by 2. So then we having under root of 25 multiplied by 2 multiplied by under root of 9 multiplied by 2. So here we know that the square root of 25 is 5, so directly I am writing here 5 square root of 2 multiply by, now square root of 9 multiplied by 2 is there, so 9 is the square root of 9 is, we know that 3, so we can write here 3 square root of 2. See, under root of 25 multiplied by 2, so in next step we can write the square root of 25 multiplied by 2 multiplied by square root of 9 multiplied by 2, and we know that the square root of 25 is 5 multiplied by square root 2 multiplied by square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by square root of 2. So I neglect here this step, because if here perfect square number is there, because we know that the square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of 9 is 3, so directly we can write 5 square root 2 multiplied by 3 square root 2. Then 5 3s are 15, here see 5 3s are 15, and square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2, for square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2, see square root of 2 multiplied by square root 2 is 2, always remember this. If you have in square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5, then you can write 5, answer is 5. So square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is 2, then 15 2s are 30. अगर हम कोई भी, हमें स्क्वायर रूट 2 है और उसको हम स्क्वायर रूट 2 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें 2 आंसर मिलेगा. अगर हम स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 करेंगे तो हमें आंसर इज 5 मिलता है. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 इज इक्वल टू 3. दैट मीन्स इफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a is multiplied with square root of a, square root of a is multiplying with square root of a, then we having only answer as a. Order of the surd and radicand both are equal, then we can write square root of a multiplied by square root of a is equal to a.